Hi everyone! In this lesson I'm gonna show you how to create phases of the moon using the Ellipse tool. But before, I would like to say please remember to subscribe, like and comment. That will help me to make more videos. Thanks a lot! Let's start. There is already one made here, but I'm gonna redo it so you can see how it is done. First, go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Actually, it's here, Ellipse tool. Press Shift in order to make a perfect circle. Now we have one circle. We will make another one. Just copy and paste using whatever method you prefer. Now we have two circles, but we need another circle, the third one. Let me just keep this here. I'm gonna use it later. Let me resize the second circle to make it a little bit smaller than the first one. Let's zoom in and move it around. Find the perfect moon shape you like. Let's just align it, vertical, align center here. Now I need to get rid of everything that is not moon. Here is the moon, this area. In order to do this, I use the shape builder tool. Select both of the shapes, which I did, and let's click Shape Builder tool. There you go. And press and hold Alt, click and drag with the mouse to select everything you want to get rid of. You will see minus icon under your cursor while you are doing this. Now it's gone. Also, there is another way to erase the shape you don't need. You can use Pathfinder. Let me undo this and show you. Just select both of your objects again and go to Pathfinder and click minus front. And there you go. Now we have the moon. But our design is not done. Now let me get this third circle with selection tool, and we definitely need this for finishing the moon. Let's arrange the circle, send to back, and once the moon is done, let's align it to. We can play with the colors. Now I used black and white, but you can use whatever you want. When the moon is totally done, let me do this. Now it's done. I can group it. There you go. You can do this process with all the shapes, phases of the moon. Let's quickly do the same things for the rest. Actually, let me copy one circle from here, and there you go. Now let's create the half moon. Same thing again. We need two circles, but instead of using a circle, I use the rectangle tool instead for the half moon. There you go. And I select these two objects and go to Pathfinder menu and click minus front again and and move this. There you go. Let's do this black and white and group it. And now we have the half moon, and we're just gonna get the circle again, and 2 circles we need. One is white here and the other one is black. Let's quickly do this. One is here, one is here, and this one, the black one, is here. Little bit move. This one, let's move it with the arrow, and this one, let's reflect, copy, actually it didn't work. That's okay, I'll do it. There you go. And now these are the black moons and these are the white moon. Let's change the color. Okay. Moon is white, the background is black, and turn. Alright, let's do it again. It's not working. Okay, we were in the group now. Here it is. Let's move this. Might be a little bit big. We can resize the objects. And this one, let's copy and paste again. There you go. Alright, let's select all of them and make it a little bit smaller and locate them again where they are supposed to be. Let's see. And actually, hold on. This one's, the white ones are going here. And black ones are here. This one's, the half moon, is here. And another one. Right here. And we are almost finishing it. Now our phases of the moon illustration is ready. You can use it in your design. See you next time.